Hi guys, this is Tim with Tim's Homestead. Hope everybody's doing great today. This is Sunday, August 1st. I got 6 weeks to retire. Anyway, I just want to show them blackberries there, and I had a thought about, I'm going to explain what I've done and would like some input on it, like maybe if Rick Larson, if you're watching, or Kevin Wallace, or anybody else who's into this permaculture stuff. Right here is my row of blackberries. It's a pretty good row, not very long, maybe 10, 20, 30, 40, maybe 60 foot long. Planted them last spring. I bought them from Indiana Berry Company. Very happy with them. You can see they're beautiful. Anyway, before these, I had these planted. Honey locust. Well, before I planted these, I cut them down to the ground. I thought that would kill them. And put a bunch of mulch all the way down, and then when the berries came, I already had everything ready, and I planted them in the spring last year. Well, when I seen them growing again, I thought, man, I need to kill them things. But second thought, a couple of weeks ago, I had a second thought about it. Yeah, there's one I missed. There. Oh yeah, another one I missed. Another one I missed. I usually go back through and I look. I didn't today. Anyway, so here's one. The reason I wanted to cut them out was because of the thorns. Rick Larson mentioned a week or so ago on one of his videos that, boy, I missed a bunch of them, didn't I? That he didn't know why people freaked out so much about the thorns. Myself, I didn't want to run over them with my riding mower or anything, because I mowed this. But I had a thought a couple of weeks ago, and the thought was to, well, let them grow. They're nitrogen fixers. They fix nitrogen in the soil, so why not just not kill them? Let them be, and every fall when they go dormant, I'll just cut them right back down to the ground. That'll release. I think that releases more nitrogen in the ground. I don't know. That's what I want to know about. I'd like your thoughts on that. I think it's a good idea myself. But I'm kind of new at this permaculture stuff. I've not read Bill Mollison's book. I think I'm going to buy that before I retire. It must be a good book because everybody highly praises it. I'm going to show you what else. That's one thing I've been working on. Every day I've been coming out here and picking about 1.5 quarts. I think one day I might have got 2 quarts of berries just on this 60-foot row. I've got more plants that are, I guess they send out runners, and plants come up sort of outside the zone, and I'm going to be digging them up, and I'm going to start another row over here. I'm going to start a row, probably from here down. I don't know how far yet. I'm putting some dirt down there. Oh, I want to show you that, what I've been doing. I missed a lot of berries. I'm going to have to come back and get them. We got a lot of birds. I love birds. We've been very blessed this year. We've got pears, peaches, apples, a whole lot of hazelnuts coming on. Just very blessed. Thank you, Father God, Jehovah, Yahweh, Yahuwah. I don't. People got different names for him, but he's the creator. There's a little bean tree come up on its own. Pretty neat. Anyway, all this dirt I've been taking out from back there at the pond, and I've been putting it along here. All the way down and way back there. I'm not going to walk all the way back there. The reason being is, a few years ago, the fellow next door built his house. He ran his sump pump line all the way to the fence here, and I used to have a huge garden right here, and with 1 hour of rain it completely flooded this place and flooded the garden. I got a little upset, which doesn't ever do any good, but anyway, I dug the pond, this pond over here, and I took a bunch of dirt, and I thought I had it blocked off to where, but I had water coming in from all the way back there, all the way in the front over there, and right here from other properties. And I thought, well, why not just dig a little creek, which I did, and it goes all the way back there. And I thought, well, all the water from the front now and from here can go all the way back and run off into the pond back there, which would be great, because I've got a big pipe back there that lets the overflow go out. We'll walk back there and I'll show you what I've been doing back there. I thought, tell you what, I'm going to shut this off and turn it back on when I get back there. Okay, this is on the way to the pond where I was headed. I've got honey locusts here also. You can see this is a true thornless honey locust. I'll let that be. This one's thornless as well, but this one has some nasty thorns, so this fall I'll cut it all the way down to the ground, and every year I'll just prune it back and it'll fix nitrogen in the ground there. This is an area where I can come through with my scythe, clean this out, and I'm going to plant comfrey and all kinds of stuff through here. I mean, it's good, fertile. It's a mound of dirt I built up right there, and I can plant a bunch of stuff there, whatever, hazelnuts, stuff. So, heading back to the pond, and some of my earlier videos, you can probably see I had a fence right here, and about 3 weeks ago I opened this fence up. Got bee stung because there's a nest of bees in the ground over there. So I didn't take out that section of fence. Anyway, I've over about a week now, including today, I got rained out, but I moved that much dirt. You can see there's dirt piled up all the way around this little tiny pond. This pond's only about 60 foot in diameter. Got a lot of frogs in it. So that's where I've been getting the dirt that I'm moving over there. I'm trying to fix wet spots and stuff and keep water. When I built this pond over here, it done a great job of blocking the water that was coming off of this farm field over here. I mean, it was a mess. The farmer took a dozer and dug a ditch right here to purposely drain the water on my property. So yeah, when I dug that pond, I kind of built a berm up right here, and I don't have that problem anymore here. So I've got a ditch that goes all the way to the pond back there, and that's where where I'm putting that dirt over there. The dirt shouldn't come past that. I mean, the water shouldn't come past that dirt. It should block it off, and it all should come right here into this pond and then come out the overflow, which is over here. I think this video is getting a little bit long. I'm gonna have to shut it off here, but this is what I've been up to. It's been dry, so I thought, well, why not take advantage and start moving dirt. So, but the overflow pipe is here, which I've showed in other videos. A little frog eater. That's a toad. A little baby toad. Anyway, when it rains a whole lot, the water comes through here, goes out here, and goes across way over there. They put a big pipe in way down there. It goes under the road, goes to over way, you probably can't see it, way over there in them woods. Farmer over there's got a pond, and it goes right into his pond. So anyway, that's what I've been working on. So I'm gonna end this video now because it just takes so long to upload these things. So if you found this interesting, your first time viewer, please subscribe. I think I've got like 120 some subscribers. Could use a little more. I'm not looking to make money on YouTube. I don't care about that. But anyway, God bless, and tomorrow's Monday. I gotta go back to work. 1 or 6 more weeks and I'm done retiring. So God bless. Have a great week, and stay away from COVID if you can, and see you on the next one. Bye.